guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yemi D here. This video is going to be a weekly lash tech vlog. Yesterday I already showed you a few of my clients that I had, and I figured I should do a weekly lash tech vlog. One, because you guys really like that, and I'm able to do it this week because my week is not as busy. The first thing I usually do every morning is go get some Starbucks. So I'm on my way right now to get some Starbucks. Comment down below what's your Starbucks drinks. What's your favorite Starbucks drink? I usually get the venti iced tea latte with matcha cold foam, but I want to try something new because I've been getting the same drink for like weeks or months now, I want to say. So please don't recommend anything that has oat milk in it because I'm allergic to oat milk. So yeah, comment down below what is your favorite like fall time Starbucks drinks, and I'm gonna try it. Hi, can I get the venti iced tea latte? Iced chai latte?
Venti iced chai latte. Anything else?
And then can I get the turkey bacon?
Apple cake?
Yeah. Thank you. Got my drink. This is literally crack. And matcha, another crack for me. Okay, so I just made it to work. I gotta hurry up because inventory takes me a long time to do, only because I'm selling lashes. I have to count inventory, like decurl, C-curl, all that stuff. So that's gonna take me a while to do. And like I said, my client comes at 5:30 and right now it's 3 o'clock. I just want to show you the things that I got from Amazon because I do purchase some supplies from Amazon. If you guys haven't seen my Amazon haul for like beginner lashes, like the things that I use, I will link that up here so you guys can watch it. So I just ordered, the first thing I ordered is this disposable lip brush. It just came in this big, it just came in a box like this, but this is what the disposable lip brushes look like. I basically use these to apply my lash removers, so I just needed to stock up on those. And then I got the micro brushes, which are just these mini micro brushes. I use these to apply my fondant and my primer, so got these. Then I just got some disposable lash brushes. I give this to my clients when they buy my lash shampoo. And then in my next package, I just got some glue rings because I needed some of those as well. And then the last thing I ordered were these blue tapes. I'm going to link this down below because honestly I feel like you should be getting these kind of tapes like this. They come in a pack of 12, yeah, and I think it's like $30, and I know Amazon sells a pack of 3 for $30, so these are literally a lifesaver, y'all. You're saving so much money, and it comes with so many. I think I bought this, like, I want to say about like 5 months ago, or maybe 3 months ago. Maybe I'm dragging it, but I haven't been finished my other box, so this is gonna last me for like a pretty long time. So I recommend getting these instead of getting it in the 3-pack. That's all I got from Amazon. I'm just gonna go ahead and start packaging this girl's order so I can ship it out before the post office closes. Hey you guys, it is the next day and I am back at my job. As you can see, I have 2 clients today, so today is going to go by pretty fast. So I decided to also bring my laptop with me, so that way I'm also able to edit some videos, so that way I can have a video up by this Sunday. So yeah, you guys are gonna watch me do my client lashes today, as well as edit a few videos. So I'm just gonna hurry up right now and set up for my client gets here, and then I'll see you guys then.
Did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris, sailing overseas, and just meet me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had to miss you go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name?
The wheels on this are so pointless because it's like tall, it's like shorter than this, so like it's literally dragging on the ground, I feel like. So that's weird, but I'm just gonna go ahead and continue this because this just looks a mess. So I want to make everything in here go in here, so it could be looking like less clutter and like a mess. So that's what I want to start doing right now. So this is what it looks like now, and just so much better and cleaner and more discreet. So I like how this looks like.